have Congress reactions coming in. The Congress now claims that the BJP government in Haryana has lost the majority and has demanded the resignation of CM Nayab Singh Saini. Listen in.
इनसे ये लगता है कि ये मौजूदा सरकार से लोगों का मन विमुख हो गया और ये लोगों की बात देखकर ही आज इन्होंने फैसला किया कि जो इन्होंने समर्थन दे रखा था समर्थन वापस लिया इन्होंने और भारी बात से कांग्रेस पार्टी का समर्थन।
On this, we have Amandeep also joining us. Amandeep, Nayab Singh Saini took oath in March, and now in just May, in just couple of months, the government is on a shaky ground. 3 independent MLAs have come out and backed the Congress. What's your update?
Hello. Hello.
Amandeep, if you can hear me, I'm asking the Congress government, the Congress party in Haryana has claimed that the BJP has lost majority. Nayab Singh Saini took oath on March 12th only, and now in just 2 months, the government is on a shaky ground again.
Well, absolutely. Very dramatic development in the state of Haryana, just almost 2 months after Nayab Singh Saini took over as Chief Minister. If we just talk about the figures, just because figures are revealing this complicity and paradoxical situation itself. In the month of March, Nayab Singh Saini took over the Chief Minister with the support of 48 MLAs out of 90 House. The House is of 90, and in fact, Nayab Singh Saini took over the oath with the support of 48 MLAs. And now the situation is that BJP has reduced, after taking the support of independents and another political party of Gopal Kanda, they have reduced to 43. That means they are not touching the majority mark. So the point is that 3 independents has been reduced, 2 their own MLAs, including Manohar Lal Khattar has resigned from Karnal. He's contesting for the Lok Sabha elections, and Nayab Singh Saini is contesting the by-polls from Karnal. And another independent MLA, Ranjit Singh Chautala, has also resigned from his post just because he is also contesting Lok Sabha seat from Hisar itself. So 2 reduced. Now the House remain of 88. Out of that 88, now 43 with BJP. 40 are completely of BJP MLAs, 2 are independents, and 1 is Lok Hit Party of Gopal Kanda. So they are the 3 that are supporting the BJP government. And even on the other side, after reducing these 3 MLAs, independent MLAs from their support, so down the line, the BJP government is not in majority. And that is the question being raised by the Congress party. And that is the reason they are demanding the governor rule in the state of Haryana. But on the other side...
Right. Amandeep, thank you so much for giving us the inputs. What will happen? JJP has become the kingmaker again. What will happen in Haryana? We will keep a close track, viewers. But